Leica's M system just got a game-changing upgrade. Classic design meets cutting-edge technology. But this isn't your grandfather's rangefinder anymore. For decades, Leica's M cameras have been synonymous with the optical rangefinder, offering a uniquely offset, sometimes quirky view. Now, Leica breaks tradition with the M EV1, swapping that iconic rangefinder for a crystal-clear electronic viewfinder. This isn't just a tech upgrade, it's a thoughtful evolution. The EVF delivers precision and clarity, making manual focus easier, faster, and more intuitive, without sacrificing the beloved classic Leica aesthetics. Handmade in Germany, the M EV1 stays true to the iconic M shape with subtle refinements, like a diamond-patterned leatherette for a distinctive look, a custom function lever for quick access to focusing aids, and a lighter build by ditching the dedicated ISO dial. Under the hood, the M EV1 packs a 60-megapixel full-frame sensor, capturing rich, detailed images with 14-bit RAW files. Shutter speeds reach up to 1/4000th mechanically and 1/16,000th in silent mode, with a 4.5 frames per second burst rate, perfect for deliberate, intentional photography. True to Leica's philosophy, the M EV1 offers strictly manual focusing, enhanced by digital tools like magnification and focus peaking. And of course, it's built around the legendary M mount, home to some of the most exquisite and expensive lenses in the world. Despite its vintage spirit, the M EV1 embraces modern connectivity. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB allow instant sharing via Leica's Photos app. Plus, the camera supports Leica's Content Credentials system, ensuring your photos' authenticity in an age of digital manipulation. Storage won't hold you back either, with 64 gigabytes built in, plus support for USH2 SD cards. Battery life delivers roughly 237 shots per charge when using the EVF, enough for a day of serious shooting. All this craftsmanship and innovation comes with a price, $8,995 for the body only. But for those who value Leica's heritage blended with modern precision, the M EV1 might just be the ultimate tool for creative expression. Pre-orders are open now, with shipping later this year. Leica's M EV1, where timeless design meets tomorrow's technology.